hours filming, paying creators, or trying to coordinate multiple shoots just to get a single ad out? Stop. Because right now, I am going to show you how to create high converting Facebook ads for your business using AI influencers, just like this.
I've wasted so much money on digital products trying to figure out how to make money online until I found this one that actually changed my life. It showed me how to create my own talking head AI influencer and posting content that actually grows an audience. And it's all super simple, even if you're not techie. Now I'm actually making money online and it feels so good to finally see results. If you want to do the same, tap below and get started for just $21. I used to wake up, look in the mirror, and the first thing I'd see wasn't me, it was my acne. What changed for me? Switching to CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. It gently exfoliates, unclogs pores, and helps calm active breakouts without stripping my skin. It literally treats the acne but still protects my skin barrier so I'm not left feeling dry and irritated. After a few weeks, my skin looked smoother, felt cleaner, and my breakouts were way more under control. If you're tired of trying random products that don't work, try CeraVe and let your skin breathe again. Get yours today and thank me later.
Look at how real and natural these feel. One is holding a physical product and the other is delivering a service pitch. That's the level of realism we're aiming for. And by the end of this video, even if you've never made a Facebook or TikTok ad before, you'll be able to do this yourself.
You'll know exactly how to create the influencer, write the script, animate them, add the product, lip sync, and even produce consistent audio that sounds like you. Now, there are basically two main scenarios. One, if you've had high-performing Facebook or Instagram ads before, AI can help you create variations of those. This is the easiest, low-hanging fruit because you already know what works. Two, if you're starting from scratch and haven't had ads that perform yet, no worries. We're going to go from zero to fully produced AI ads, step by step, so you can create new content that actually converts.
Before we start, please tap like and subscribe. It motivates me to keep going and helps make this your go-to channel for learning AI skills that actually make money.
All right, first things first, your AI influencer. This is your brand ambassador, your face in all your ads, so it's super important to get this right. You can create multiple of them if you want to.
I actually have a full tutorial on creating a perfect, consistent AI influencer, and I'll link it in the description. Go check it out if you haven't yet.
When you create your influencer, you want to focus on consistency. Same face, same hair, same expressions, same posture. Trust me, if your influencer changes from ad to ad, it can subconsciously make your ads feel fake or inconsistent to viewers. Also, match your influencer to your audience. For a skincare brand, choose someone approachable and relatable. For a professional service, maybe someone polished and confident. Even the smallest things like natural hand gestures, slight head tilts, or how they smile can make a huge difference in how your ad is received. Once your influencer exists, it's time to have them interact with your product or represent your service. This is what makes your ad look real and believable. For physical products, your influencer should hold, use, or demonstrate the product naturally. For example, if it's a skincare product, they might hold it and apply it, while using the other hand to gesture or emphasize a point. Don't just have them hold it stiffly. Small movements like tilting the bottle or smiling while showing it can increase engagement. For services, you need to set the scene appropriately. Dress your influencer to match the service. If it's coaching, an office or home setting works. If it's a luxury service, soft lighting, clean background, minimal props. Here's a ChatGPT prompt you can use for generating the influencer with product/service. Write a detailed AI image generation prompt that preserves my AI influencer's exact facial features, hair, skin tone, and identity. Make the influencer hold insert product naturally or represent insert service in a realistic lifestyle setting. Include natural posture, hand gestures, eye contact, and clean lighting. Ensure the final image looks authentic, professional, and scroll stopping. Test the prompt if you want to. For image creation, we use Nano Banana Pro, free on Gemini, paid on Higgsfield. This is great for preserving identity across different images. Make sure if you are using the same influencer again and again, their face and style is preserved for brand consistency.
All right, this step is absolutely critical because your script is basically the soul of your Facebook ad. Even if your influencer looks amazing,
If the script is weak, your ad won't convert. Think of it like this. Your influencer is the actor, but the script is the story. If the story doesn't grab attention, people will scroll past. When writing a script, we want to follow a proven structure that's been used in high-converting UGC ads. 1. Hook. First 3 to 5 seconds. This is what stops someone mid-scroll. You need something emotional, surprising, or relatable. For example, I almost returned this product until I tried it like this. Or for a service, I've wasted so much money on coaching programs until I found this method. This is what makes viewers pause. 2. Problem. Show that you understand their pain or desire. People need to feel like you get them. Example, you've tried every skincare product under the sun and nothing works. Or for a service, you want to grow your business online, but ads just aren't converting. 3. Solution. Introduce your product or service as the answer. Keep it clear and concise. This serum changed my skin in just 7 days. Or, this AI system helped me create ads that actually sell. 4. Proof/credibility. back up your claims. This could be a statistic, testimonial, or social proof. For example, over 10,000 people have used this program successfully. Or, we've helped small businesses generate 5-figure months with this exact method. Or, this product has helped me regain my confidence in days. 5. CTA, call to action. Tell them exactly what to do next. Keep it soft, but clear. Click the link to learn more. Or, grab it as soon as possible before the sale ends. Don't be pushy, just guide them. Now, here's a secret weapon. You don't have to write all of this from scratch. ChatGPT can generate scripts for you in seconds, but you have to give it very specific instructions. Here's an example of a prompt you can use. Write a 20 to 30 second Facebook ad script for a talking head AI influencer promoting insert the product or service. Include a strong hook that stops scrolling, a relatable problem, a clear solution, credibility or social proof, and a soft call to action. Make it conversational and natural, like someone is speaking directly to the camera. Use short sentences and natural pauses. Once ChatGPT gives you a script, read it aloud to see if it flows naturally. If it sounds robotic, tweak it. Break the script into sections for animation. Hooks, mid-hooks, product demo points. Optional. Create 3 to 5 variations of the hook so you can test what grabs attention best. Testing hooks is one of the fastest ways to improve Facebook ad performance. The key here is that the script drives everything: the lip sync, gestures, facial expressions, and timing. A solid script equals high-converting AI ad.
Now comes the most exciting part, animation. This is where your influencer image turns into a talking person.
Hold up, because I will give you another cheaper alternative to generating a perfect animation with perfect lip sync.
I actually created a full tutorial showing how to make a perfectly lip-synced talking head,
How to use VO 3.1 for free, and how to replace the audio generated by VO with a more personalized voice using 11 Labs. You can use the same method to create Facebook ads.
The 2 examples I showed you earlier were actually created using VEO 3.1 inside Flow together with 11 Labs.
As of now, Google Flow currently gives about 50 credits daily and around 150 credits for new users, which is more than enough to start testing. You simply upload your influencer image and generate the talking video. VO3 works surprisingly well for beginners, especially if you're testing ideas before investing in paid tools. So if you're just starting, you can begin with Google Flow. And you don't even have to burn through credit.
In that video, I explained a detailed formula where you use your avatar only when she needs to speak on important parts. You should check it out. And once your video is generated, you now have something extremely powerful: a realistic AI influencer delivering a message about your product in a way that feels human. All right, now this is the part most people completely misunderstand. Running Facebook ads is not about pressing buttons. It's about testing.
Never run one ad and hope it works. You should always test variations. Same product, but change the hook, the script, angle, and the emotional tone. One video can focus on pain, another can focus on benefits, another can focus on transformation. You don't need to recreate the influencer every time. Just change the script and regenerate the animation. That's the power of AI. You can produce 5 ad variations in one day without filming anything. That's how you outwork competitors. Now let's talk about metrics. When your ads start running, don't obsess over sales immediately. Look at, are people watching past 3 seconds? Are they watching 25% of the video? Are they clicking? If people aren't even watching, your hook is weak. If they're watching but not clicking, your offer is unclear. If they're clicking but not buying, your landing page needs work. Ads are data. Data tells you what to fix. Don't take it emotionally. Improve one thing at a time. Now here's something powerful. Consistency of the influencer builds brand recognition. If you keep using the same AI influencer across multiple ads, your audience starts recognizing the face, and familiarity increases trust. Build a digital spokesperson for your brand. And finally, scaling. Once you find a winning video, don't change it immediately. Increase budget slowly. Duplicate it to new audiences. Test new countries. Test new angles. Scale what works. Don't reinvent what's already converting.
If you want personalized AI influencer ads that convert made specifically for your business, you can contact us directly. Details in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.